Oh, goodness. What's your name? What is it?
Snow White.
Snow White.
Oh, who are you, pilot? They call you Ace?
Mitchell, he's a pilot today.
Mitchell the pilot. So are you having fun still?
Want to get your picture taken? Can we take a picture?
Here.
If you want to get your picture taken with you, Mitchell? Well, you can take a picture with me. You want to get a picture taken with him? Will you go stand by him?
He's got fun feathers in his hat.
You want to
Not
wear a
so
cape
much.
and a hat? Get in the picture with them?
You want to have a cape and a hat? Would you like that?
He's a pilot. So did he fly you here? No.
Well, are you ready, pilot?
I just wanted to just pilot.
Was that your plane?
Can you say hi?
You said it's a Pixie Hollow.
You want me to hold you, Mitchell?
Maybe he's like a super secret pilot.
I think that might be.
Have you guys been to Pixie Hollow yet?
Nope.
No.
Oh, okay. I thought the plane. I thought you might have taken the plane to Pixie Hollow. So you
We
could
just-
keep it everywhere.
We just got here, didn't we? Come here. Excited? Are you super excited? Me too.